What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on this very wet Saturday. Luckily there's no rain, so yeah, we can film. Anyways, so today's video we're going to Z1's off-road open house adventure. Yes, I don't know how many years it is, but yes, we're going to their off-road open house adventure. That's a lot of words to say when you're very up early in the morning. And it's only 7:30. I've been up since about 4 a.m. but luckily I went back to sleep. So here I am. That's why I sound tired. But within that, we did get the truck clean. It is kind of wet actually, but I don't think it's going to affect anything. She's nice and clean. Still a little wet, but it'll be fine. Am I excited? Yes. Probably why I couldn't sleep as much. So, yeah, she's clean for the most part. I gotta get some of my cleaning supplies and touch her up a little bit. So, yeah, we got about an hour and a half until it starts. So, until the meantime, I'm gonna go grab my supplies, finish getting ready, drink me just a tidbit of coffee, and I will see you guys when we get there. Alrighty guys, so we're here at Z1 Motorsports headquarters, and I have to say it is pretty packed out with Nissan and Toyota galore. So with my first year being here, it's pretty good turnout so far. And I think I'm going to enjoy the rest of it. So let me go around and get y'all some B-roll footage and show you what's all here. So let's get to it. So here we are inside of the garage section of Z1 Motorsports. And if you could tell in the B-roll, that they got a lot of impressive things here, especially when you get inside. So we're about to get a better glimpse at some of these little projects that they have. So here we go. And first in that B-roll inside is this little nice GTR. And I'm not meaning by little by any means, but look at that carbon fiber. Just look at that carbon fiber on that front. Look at that. I don't know jack about cars, but that is most definitely a nice one. Then we return over here to this nice Z that they have right here. Look at that. And I'm also using ND filters too, so it probably looks a lot darker than what it's supposed to, but that is fine. That is fine. That's the 600R. As you can see, with the Nismo wheels, that is a bad mamma jamma right there. I'll tell you what. Of course, next to, I believe, a Skyline that is twin turboed, not right-hand drive. As you can tell, the interior is a little dark. That's because of the filter. But hopefully it comes out all right in post. But this filter really makes that red look really good, though. And we'll get to that other section over there here in just 1 second. But look at that. Just admire that color. Wow. Then here we have another Z. Hopefully I don't get striked because of the music. But look at that. And if you've been on TikTok, here's that infamous dually Titan right here. I think that's pretty impressive. What are your guys' thoughts on this dually Titan? And it's a Cummins as well. Ain't that interesting? So it's one of the diesel engines on this Titan. Y'all let me know in the comments which out of all these vehicles that I have shown you, which one's your favorite? 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna say, a lot of people are gonna say the GTR. And then I bet you it'd be more if it was the Skyline was left-hand drive, or I'm sorry, right-hand drive instead of left-hand. But yeah, just admire that. Of course, I got a Tacoma over here, another 370Z, and then, of course, one of their off-road Frontier projects that happens to have the supercharger on it, with, I think, the upgraded pulley. But, you know, dreams. Dreams, dreams, dreams. But yeah, it's nice. Eventually, we'll get there. We will get there. And it's also Titan swapped, which I think is pretty neat. It's got the Z1 control arms on there. Yeah, only if dreams can come true. We'll get there one day, guys. We'll get there one day. And then we're going to look at some of their Toyota factors here. Here's a Supra. Very nice Supra. GR Supra at that. If you caught that at the bottom of the bumper. And then you got this big old carbon wing here. Then here we are with a 4Runner. Very nice 4Runner. With the little racks. Interior's got leather and it's dark. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Well, it was a good turnout. Very good turnout. A lot of good builds. A lot of stock builds. Like myself. No hate in that. But I'm very impressed. And I believe they're about to do a dyno pull on a Pro 4X R. So a Roush edition. That's probably one of the only ones that are here. sun's in my face, and I'm having a good time. So let's go check out, see if we can get film on this this dyno pool. See you guys here in a bit. Why don't you look at that? That's gonna be a great thumbnail right there. Yeah. Great thumbnail. Alrighty guys, so we're not gonna really film the dyno because this thing doesn't really zoom in as well for the Osmo Pocket, so we're just gonna look at the scoreboard afterwards. And yes, I have my glasses on because it is bright, sunny, and it sucks. But I'm enjoying it though. Definitely enjoying it. Can't wait to see what the raffle's gonna bring. Be nice to bring something home, but we'll just have to wait and see. I'll see you guys here shortly. Doing a little tilting contest. Look at that approach angle. Good God. Choked myself. Look at that. I didn't hear what he said on how far, but they've been doing this for a while. I kind of missed out on it. That's pretty neat though. So we have Tacoma doing it next. It's over there. Here we go with the Tacoma. Let's see how far it goes. Well, that's some pretty aggressive approach. Up, you can't go no further. Just look at it. That's some goals right there for the Frontier. I'm about to go take a look at some more builds around here. But eventually my camera's gonna die, so we're gonna try and get what we can. But yeah, that's pretty cool though. Thing is that there's a lot of this color. It's a very popular color at that. Because there's another one. Then we got this little Xterra. Well, it ain't little, but it's nice. We got this Foal Runner. Whatever this is. Then you got another Toyota. Look at all that stuff. And look what we have here. Man, I can't remember his YouTube name. God, forgive me. That's his truck. I can't remember his name for the life of me. It's nice though. And you got this black with fuel wheels on a rough country.
Oh, there's a truck.
Super winch. I kind of like that metallic gray color though. Metallic gray is not bad. I like it. Most certainly. But I don't know if I may go overlanding, but I might. I don't know. I haven't decided. It's still up on the table if I want to lower the sum gun. But, you know. It's very nice. It's goals. Goals all up and down this aisle right here. And for some of you Toyota fans out there, there's that aqua color TRD Pro Tundra. It's a nice color. Alrighty guys, that concludes the OROHA from Z1 Motorsports headquarters. I enjoyed my time. I'm sure you guys will enjoy what I've got or gathered, and hopefully we can get more of that in the future. If they host more events, especially for Z Nationals, that'd be awesome to do that. Also with the raffle, I won the tune and the catch can. So the catch can will be in a future video. The tune maybe not be anytime soon. I don't know. That's new to me. Even if I were to tune it under 3,000 miles, I probably won't. So we'll have to wait and see where that goes. But it's awesome to have 2 of those things knocked out of my book, of my list of things to have. So a little less expense in my pocket. So that's awesome. Thank you guys at Z1 for giving everyone a good time out there. A lot of unique builds out there. I loved every single one of them, especially that whoever drove that Tundra. I know it's not Nissan, but the Toyota Tundra, that blue one, that was a very nice aqua blue color for a TRD Pro. I loved it. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe if you're new. Leave a comment down below which vehicle is your favorite of what I've shown, what build is your favorite, or even if you're a Toyota person. I filmed a couple Tundras, that one Tacoma, so y'all just let me know which one y'all like as well. There's no favoritism here, so just because I drive a Nissan does not mean I'm favored to that brand, because I just got back into the platform. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it'll be for the catch can video. So have a great rest of your Saturday and stay dry.